Hey everyone, welcome back. If you lost your iPhone or phone right now, would all your data be saved? Most people think iCloud is backing up their phone, but it's actually turned off. Here's how to check and turn it on properly in 30 seconds. First, go to your settings and then tap your name at the top. Then tap iCloud. After that, tap iCloud Backup and check if it says on or off. Tap the toggle Tap the toggle to turn it on. Now tap backup and now to do an intimidate backup right away you'll see it says last backup with today's date. Once it finishes, make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi and plugged in into a charger. iCloud backup or only works automatically when both of these are true. Also, back on the iCloud place, make sure that the apps you care about most, like photos, contacts, messages, all have their turned on. With this setup on your phone, your phone backs itself up every night automatically. So all you've got to do is go to your settings, your name, iCloud backup, then turn it on and then tap backup now. Your entire phone is now safe in the iCloud.